Under the leadership of M.K. Stalin, the Tamil government plans to replace the rupee symbol with the Tamil script Ru in the 2025 budget. Tamil Nadu recently made headlines by opting to remove the official rupee symbol from its state budget, sparking discussions around language and identity. This marks the first time a state has chosen not to use the national currency symbol, reflecting a growing resistance in Tamil Nadu against the National Education Policy (NEP). Under the leadership of M.K. Stalin, the Tamil government plans to replace the rupee symbol with the Tamil script Ru in the 2025 budget. This new representation is the first letter of Rubai, the Tamil word for the Indian currency. The design also features the phrase "everything for all," emphasizing the DMK's promise of an inclusive governance model. Critics of this decision include K. Annamalai, the BJP's Tamil Nadu chief, who expressed his disapproval, asserting the DMK government's state budget for 2025 to 1926 swaps out the rupee symbol designed by a Tamiliya, which has been adopted by the entire nation. He also questioned the choice of designer, Thiru Udhay Kumar, the son of a former DMK MLA, raising doubts about the rationale behind this move. This decision comes at a time of heightened tensions between Tamil Nadu and the central government, particularly over fears of Hindi being imposed on Tamil speakers. Tamil Nadu has resisted several key aspects of the NEP 2020, especially the contentious three-language formula, which has resulted in the central government withholding 573 crore rupees in education funding under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan (SSA). States need to align with NEP guidelines to qualify for this funding, which is largely provided by the centre. The DMK-led administration argues that the BJP-led central government is attempting to impose Hindi on the Tamil-speaking community through the NEP. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has dismissed these accusations, claiming the DMK is merely looking for a political edge to bolster its standing, stating, "Opposition to NEP 2020 is not about preserving Tamil pride, language, and culture," in a post shared on X. To provide some context, the rupee symbol was officially adopted on 15 July 2010, following a design competition launched by the Indian government on 5 March 2009. The winning design, created by D. Udaya Kumar, combines aspects of the Devanagari letter, Ra, and the Latin letter, R, minus its vertical line. The parallel lines at the top are said to symbolize the Indian flag, as well as represent equality, reflecting the nation's goal to reduce economic disparities. BJP leader Tamilisai Soundarajan has sharply criticized the DMK government's choice to switch the rupee symbol for the Tamil letter, Ru, in the state budget. She emphasized that the Indian currency operates within a federal framework, so the DMK should honor national symbols. They've been gunning Tamil Nadu for so long and have presented the budget multiple times. Why make a fuss now? She questioned. Soundarajan highlighted that the Indian currency is a crucial part of the federal system and that her party supports Tamil Nadu's local symbols and language, not against them. She went on to challenge the DMK government to explain why they didn't address this issue in the past. Soundarajan alleged that the M.K. Stalin administration is trying to distract from its shortcomings and asked, "Even I have a Tamil name, but does M.K. Stalin? Shouldn't he consider changing his name to a Tamil one?" She remarked that this drama diverts attention from the government's failures. Notably, the budget logo for the previous fiscal year featured the Indian currency symbol rupees, while the 2025 to 1926 budget logo showcased the Tamil letter, Ru, in place of it. The Tamil Nadu Assembly is set to present the new budget on 14 March. The ongoing conflict between the state and central government around the NEP and its three-language stipulation is certainly worth keeping an eye on. If you found this analysis interesting, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, take care and stay safe.